off real quick?
What's wrong? What?
Give me fuel, give me fire, give me that which I desire. Ooh.
She is sexy. But check this out. That's right. Lips are here. I'm definitely digging them. Oh, VR wheels, they did a good job. Threw them on here, see if they lined up. They got everything right. I gave these guys like no information about these wheels except they were 1740 hole, and I needed them 3 inches, and they took it from there. They did a good job. Got that right. All the holes are lined up. I'm excited, really excited. Yeah. I wish I could just stick that face in there all simple like, but so I can show y'all what it looks like, but gotta get some silicone, seal these suckers up, and I gotta press those lips in. I'm gonna use some bolts. I'll show y'all how I'm gonna do that soon. But yeah, it ain't that easy. Let's get started on that.
Give me fire, give me that which I desire.
pretty good. Got the center cap in, all 40 bolts. There's some extra cock on the side, or on the top. And just pretty much ready for some tires now. There's my 17 by 8 and my 17 by 9 3/4 now. Front wheel and back wheel. So I'm not going to be putting tires on the wheels in this video. That'll come later. So y'all got to stay tuned. But Toyo Proxy R888Rs, what this back wheel is going to get. 275/40. The front one, I'm not sure about yet. Probably 225 or 235. But they'll be going on a 92 Fox body, which I really need to post more videos of the car on the channel, but I'm getting there. So if y'all want to follow up, see what's next, give me a subscribe, like, comment, give me a little feedback in the comments, how you think I did. And I just appreciate y'all watching the video, man.